Oh, wow, that was loud. Adjust your sound. This is kind of interesting. I haven't done a posting in a while, but this is called triangles. Check it out. All right. Nice. All right, let's go. Ooh, let's do there. Look at that. Now you have to connect 3 of your own color, kind of thing, or whatever. So let's see. Oh, see that? That made one right there. You see that? No, can't quite reach that one. So he's one ahead of me so far. Let's see if we can't narrow that down. That was kind of a gimme. Yeah, there's another one. Yeah, I tried that one. There we go. Look at he's kicking me. There we go. There we go. We'll just get involved now. Yeah, there we go. And there we go. There's one. There's one. We got that one. And there's one. Nice. Ooh, good one there. It's a good one. Okay, I got one here on the side. Ooh, look at this. There we go. Let's do that. Ooh, one along the top. Oh, there's a 3-banger in there, right there. Look at that. Oh, that's a good one here. Yeah. Oh, beauty. There's one there. Okay, can I reach that one? Ooh, barely. I can barely get it. I got it though. It counts. Oh, nice one. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. Nice. I don't know what the score is. He's gonna get me here. Good. Yeah. Looks like there's more yellow than blue right now. Okay. There's a beauty there. Yeah, let's give him the little one. Yeah, I'll take this one. Ooh, nice one there, and then we'll take this one. Beauty. I'll take this one. Oh, there's 2 left. There we go. And the game. Oh, what's the score? 18-11. Killed me. Wow. All right. Oh, later.